Hey, what's up guys? I got a cool video for you today. I'm going to show you how to modify your favorite hat to accept this sun flap from an outdoor research hat. So I don't really care for this hat. I'd rather use my favorite hat and use the same flap on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these fasteners like this hat has on this hat. And that way we're going to just snap this thing right on. So let me show you what I did and how I made this work.
And today's video is sponsored by Art of the Trek. And the team at Art of the Trek has been hard at work researching campsites, water sources, scenic locations, trailheads to add to their public map. And now you can help your fellow hikers and adventurers plan their trips by adding your own points of interest to the map. So if you have any favorite campsites, scenic places, water sources, or trailheads that you'd like to share with others, visit artofthetrek.com, turn on POIs from the overlay menu, and click the orange plus sign at the bottom to add to the map. This helps your fellow hikers plan the best trips possible, and they'll even send you a free swag bag if you contribute a dozen or so POIs.
So these are the tools and materials we'll be working with here. This is the snap fastener kit that I bought on eBay. This thing was maybe, I don't know, $7 or $8 shipped or something like that. It's pretty cheap, $10 maybe. And it comes with these punches, and this is what you use to install these snaps. This is the Outdoor Research sun hat, and this is the flap that attaches to these clips. Need a magic marker, razor, possibly a drill and a drill bit just to make things easier, and a mallet. And of course our new hat to work with here. So first thing we want to do is we want to find out where we're going to mount the new snaps. So I'm using the old hat as a template here, and I'm taking both of the brims here, just kind of lining them up with my fingers, try and keep it in position, and then I'm laying it flat on the workbench to keep it in position here with my hand, lift it up, and then you're just going to kind of make a mark as close as you can to where the middle of this snap is. And you don't want to move this at all now because you've already got that mark on that side. And we're going to flip this up and do the same thing. And there may be a better way to do this. I don't know what that is, but this will work. So now this is where we're going to punch out our two holes. The kit will come with a punch like this. So now we're going to punch our holes through the hat. It's also a good idea to have a block of wood or something just to put under this, because otherwise you're going to mar up your workbench or whatever other surface is beneath your punch marks here. So you're going to line up your punch right over the hole, right over the mark you made. So we got one hole there, and now we'll do our second hole. Okay, so we got our two holes there. Now we are going to get a couple of these snaps. Now there's two of those. And two of these guys. Now on the top side you've got this piece here that snaps into this, and it gets secured in with a punch here in a minute. I'll show you in a minute. The problem is the material from the hat is kind of left over here, so you want to make sure that there's not too much material around the sides here that's kind of like preventing the hole here from like fully seating over that bottom piece. So once you've got it in place, you take this piece here and you put it underneath this smooth piece, and that just sort of holds that piece in place. And it's got like a concave sort of shape to it to sort of accept that piece without just smashing it. So we put that in there, put your punch in place, try and hold this snap in with your fingers at the same time while you're holding this, and at the same time while your base piece below stays in position, and then give it a couple of whacks. And you can test it by trying to turn it or twist it. That feels pretty solid to me. So now we'll just do the same thing on the other side here. Okay, push it down against the base here. Insert the punch into the hole, hold down the snap piece with your fingers, give it a couple whacks. Yeah, buddy. That guy's in there, it's not going anywhere. Okay, cool. All right, so got our new snaps on. And now we'll try this on and make sure this fits in the snaps. Yeah. And there you go, my friends. That's how you build the sun hat of your dreams. I hope you found the video useful. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.